Okay, the step ladder is already constructed and everything. You just take it out of the box. And there's one thing that kind of concerns me about it. Here, let me show you. You see this mechanism right here? This is what locks it into place, and you see how loose that is. So what you're gonna do, it pretty much comes like this, and you just fold it. So I'm not gonna be able to film this, but here, or maybe I am. You see that? Oop. Just kind of folding it down. I mean, I know that wasn't real clear, but yeah, you just fold it like any ladder, or just open it up really, and then that mechanism that I showed you is here. It's still down here, and that's kind of what locks it into place. And you'll see that's a really flimsy lock, and you can't really, there's a screw right there. You know, I tried tightening it a little bit. It really didn't make a difference. And so what happens when you climb up on the step ladder, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, look down at the feet. It kind of, you're probably not going to be able to see this, but it slides a little bit, and it's sliding out as though you were opening it up more. And that's actually good. When it slides out, look, I'm going to be brave here and step on the top step. Whoa. It's good when it's sliding out like that because it's locking into place more. But yeah, I mean, pretty much like anything else in life, you get what you pay for. I've already used it to do some work on a ceiling that's over 10 feet. So, but yeah, it's a little rickety. So it just depends on you and what your priorities are. Bye.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.